Hey everyone! If your smart TV is acting slow or missing new features, updating the software can usually fix that. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to update your smart TV software quickly and safely. Let's jump in. First, grab your TV remote and open the settings menu. On most TVs, you can do this by pressing the gear icon or the menu button on your remote. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you see Support, Device Preferences, or System. The name may vary a bit depending on your TV brand. Next, look for an option called Software Update, System Update, or Firmware Update. Go ahead and select it. Now choose Check for Updates. Your smart TV will connect to the internet and search for the latest version. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi before this step. If an update is available, select Download and Install. The TV may restart during the process. Yeah, that's totally normal, so don't turn it off. While you're here, you might want to turn on Auto Update so your TV stays up to date automatically in the future. It just saves time, you know. And that's pretty much it. Your smart TV is now running the latest software. If the update option was missing, double-check your internet connection and try again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next